Hello everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to save Facebook posts, photos and videos. So for that, open the Facebook application and then get logged in into the account of yours. Now once you have been logged in into the account of yours, so what you need to do first is you need to find the post or videos or that video that you want to download or save it to the Facebook. So I'm just gonna go and search for a random video which I want to save or photo. So I want to save this post from Kathmandu Valley hikers. What you need to do is you need to tap on the dotted line beside the post, tap that. This will give you all these options over here. You have a lot of options, and from the option you need to choose the option save a video, tap that. Now this will save the video to the Facebook collection. You can create a separate collection for the videos, photos and the post. This is for a video, so I'm going to tap new collection. And then I'm going to provide a collection name, tap on video, then tap on create. You can also choose the option public, private or to friends. I chose the only me option from the privacy. So this is for the video. Now I'm going to show you how you can save a Facebook post. So this is a post that I want to save. Just like before, you tap on the dotted lines, which will give you all this option. And from the option, you need to tap save post, tap that. Likewise, you will have the option to save it to the video or the new collection. I'm going to tap on new collection and provide a different name. Tap on photo. Just like I have said previously, you can choose the privacy. That is, if you want to make this album public, friend or only me. I'm going to choose with the option only me and then tap on create. This is a way how you can save Facebook posts, photos and videos. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.